Let's take a look at this computer science question. The question asks us to consider the following code. The code defines an interface, shape, which has a method, int is larger than shape other, meaning that the method name is larger than, it takes in a shape, so the input would be a shape, and then the output would be an integer, output type. In addition to this, we're told that there is a class named circle which implements the shape interface. Talking about interfaces in Java, an interface, and in computer science in general, an interface is a contract. So an interface applies a set of requirements for a class, meaning that any class which implements shape needs to have this method in it. The question then asks, which of the following method headings of is larger than can be added to the declaration of the circle class so that it will satisfy the shape interface? Taking a look at the options here, option 1 has an input type of shape and an output type of int. This seems to match the declaration exactly, so option 1 will work. Taking a look at option 2. Option 2 has an input type of circle and an output type of int for is larger than. Let's consider circle. So circle implements shape, meaning that the circle is tied to the shape contract. However, the method requirement is specifically for a shape, and there might be shapes which are not circles. So there might be squares as shapes or triangles as shapes. And so even though a circle is a shape, this is not satisfying the interface contract because the method needs to be accepting of all shapes. And so this will not work. Let's take a look at option 3. Option 3, the output type is Boolean, and that's a definite no-go from the start. There is also an issue where it accepts object rather than shape, and the requirement is certainly that the interface must take in a shape, but certainly the fact that the return type is a Boolean is not good. So considering our options here, only option 1 adheres to the interface contract, and so therefore our answer here would be A.